Take a ride in the 2023 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.